This is Dope DJ TV. My name is DJ, and welcome to my channel. This is definitely a highly anticipated video. I would say if you tuned into my girlfriend's YouTube, Instagram lives or whatever, I'm always talking shit. I'm always saying, hey, I'm gonna make a wave tutorial. As y'all know, my waves do be busting. So first things first, make sure you hit that like button, make sure you subscribe, and just make sure, you just support your boy, man, because I'm gonna make sure y'all get y'all waves right. So, this is actually not the wave tutorial.
Really, nigga?
This is how to prepare your waves for a haircut. So, if you already kind of have a wave pattern going, I'm gonna tell you how to define it. I'm gonna show you how to maximize your waves for when you do get that fresh cut. So if you already have some type of pattern going on, I'm just gonna show you how you can increase that and just take the most out of it. So under this do-rag, my hair is dirty as shit. I'm gonna wash it, but first I'm gonna let you guys see what it looks like. So I'm gonna unrag. This is about a week worth of wave grease, brushing, moisturizers, all that good shit. This is a week's worth. So this is how my hair looks. This is dirty hair, mind you. So this is how my hair looks after a week of no haircut. The materials you need for this video, of course, you need to keep you some brushes. One brush, one curvy brush. I really like the curvy brush. I feel like it really enhances the waves. But some people, you might need just a harder brush. Don't pay attention. This is all Aaliyah's hair. She got a lot of grease and all that girl shit in here. But it's good. We gonna work with that too. If you got a girlfriend, just steal her products. She probably using good products, bro. And then the good double-sided brush. Every nigga probably got one of these. One side harder than the other one side real soft. Whatever. So I like to just keep 3 brushes because you never know how you never know what type of brush you might need to make your pattern lay down how you need it to lay down. So after the brushes, of course, you want to have a good pomade, a good grease. I use Sportin waves myself. Make sure you keep your hair moisturized. Also use shampoo and conditioner, of course, to keep your fucking hair clean. So this is just some stuff Aaliyah had. I'm gonna use what she used because she gonna use the good shit. So I'm gonna follow behind her so I can be just as fabulous, goddamn. Then of course you just wanna use a rag. The rag, you already know what that's for. That's for the hot towel method. We're gonna get into that later on. Grab your shampoo and your conditioner, wash your hair. Alright, y'all, I'm back. I'm fresh out the shower, and as you see, my pattern isn't as good as when I left. This hard brush, we're just gonna brush it to get that pattern back going. So we're gonna brush. It's important to do this fresh out of the shower because your hair is still moist, it's still easy to work with, and you can still get your pattern back. Dry hair is not the best way to try to get your waves going. We're gonna use this brush, and we're gonna lay everything back down. Just lay it back down. This shit hurt. It's gonna hurt, but beauty is pain. Remember that. Pain. But the end result is beautiful. Don't you want to be beautiful? Don't you want to be beautiful? Yeah, that's what I thought. You can see it. I got my pattern back a little bit. I got it back. Now, I'm gonna come back over it with the curved brush. And you just gonna have a good little brushing session with your shit. This is nice, clean hair.
Nice, clean hair. This is nice, clean hair.
Alright.
Just like, they know your hair clean, baby. You just came out the shower.
Get your pattern back going. Get your waves back popping. Drown these hoes. My ladies, drown these niggas. And these hoes. My hair is pretty much laid down. So this next step is very important as well. You're gonna grab that rag that I showed you in the beginning. You're gonna run your towel under hot water. And then you're gonna wring it out and just put it on your head. Into your head like this. Like so. You're gonna press it in the direction of your wave. So you wanna rub it like so. The reason you wanna do this hot towel method right after your hair is washed is because it's gonna lay your hair down completely. Because brushing it isn't really gonna lay it down how it needs to be. But this hot towel is gonna get you right every time. You want it to be nice and moisturized and nice and laid. Now that my hair is good and laid down, you come back with the brush. I'm gonna use the curved brush again here. Curved brush is your best friend, so I'm gonna come back and I'm gonna brush again. Just brush it down. Make sure your pattern good. You're just gonna brush. Brushing is also your best friend. You can't skip brushing. Like, you gotta brush. Brushing is your best friend. You can't brush Monday, not brush Tuesday, and then want to brush Wednesday. Like, you done fucked up. You done already fucked yourself up. You just slowed down your progress. So brushing is always gonna be your best friend when you want to maximize your waves. It's gonna be real annoying. It's real annoying, not for you, but for the people around you. They gonna be fucking tired of your ass. They gonna be like, put the fucking brush down. I know Aaliyah cannot stand my brushing. She hates when I brush my hair. She think it's extra pretty boyish. She think it's, it's aggravating. It's a lot. But hey, she love when I get the haircut though. Y'all see that? I know y'all see that because I see that. You got a nice little brush session in. You're gonna come back to the do-rag, just like I had it on in the beginning. Boom. Rag up until you get to the barbershop. And that's how it looks. Pretty much all washed, all fresh. That's one night of do-ragging. So my hair is pretty much just ready to be cut. Alright y'all, I'm back and I'm better. I'm probably more attractive. You probably like, damn, this nigga look different. But yo, I just left the barbershop, fresh cut. So I just want y'all to peep how everything look. Fresh cut. So this is fresh out the barbershop. I ain't did nothing yet. This is strictly just off the methods that I did earlier. So this is what a fresh, clean hair, healthy hair cut looks like, okay? Y'all see how good them waves look? Y'all see how good them waves look right there? That's nothing is in my hair right now. Nothing is in my hair, straight. This is clean, healthy hair, fresh out the barbershop. No chemicals, no pomades, no greases, no nothing. Y'all see how good them waves look, right? Now it's time for the last and final step to maximizing your waves. Of course, you need get you a wave grease. I use Sportin waves. Most people probably use Sportin waves. Whatever you use, make sure you get it. And we're gonna go right back to the hot towel method. The hot towel method, very, very important because you want your hair to be moisturized. We're gonna apply this, but after the hot towel method. So you don't want to apply wave grease to dry hair. You always want your hair to be moist. Remember, moisture is the key to healthy hair. Not only healthy hair, but good looking waves. So you want your hair to be moist. So we're gonna go right back into the hot towel method. Apply it to your head like I did earlier. You just gone. And like I said, you always want to rub in the direction of your wave pattern. So whether that be straight, for me, I'm gonna go straight to the front and go straight to the back. Also, the hot towel method after a fresh cut is also gonna allow you to get all that excess hair off of your hair. Now, you wanna make sure your hair's already moist, but you wanna make sure your hands are dry. So dry your hands off, and then you're gonna apply. Now, the directions, most people say, use a dime size, whatever. I say use as much as you want, bro. It's your hair, it's your waves, it's your world. You dig? So put as much as you need in there, in your hair. Just apply it like so. Straight like that. Apply some to the front. You're gonna do another layer. And you're just gonna apply that to the back. Now after you do that, you're gonna take your brush and you're just gonna have a nice little brushing session with yourself. And then after you do that, you're just gonna come back and you're gonna apply the do-rag. Gonna let it hang. Fuck it. I'm gonna let it hang. I'm swinging and banging. You did. Alright, I'm just gonna let it hang. I'll be back in 30 minutes to let y'all see the final and finished product.
3 hours later.
Alright y'all, welcome back. Obviously it's been more than 30 minutes. We done went to a whole damn basketball game and a whole lot of other shit in between the time. Y'all see those waves. Y'all see how they came out looking. And remember, this is just maximizing your waves. This isn't the wave tutorial yet. This isn't how to get your waves established. This is maximizing your waves. So if you already have a pattern, just follow this, man. Just follow this, and I guarantee it will help you maximize your wave potential. It will help you define your waves. It will help you be a much better waver. It will just help you overall, ladies and gentlemen. I swear it will help you in so many ways. Also, thank you for rocking with me. This is my first YouTube video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And I will see you on the next video.